Hello! Alright David, right, let's have a quick look at this now. I've got a minute. It's looking good. Right there, that's flowed. Looking at that onto that upside down. So let's have a see if we can make that like that. Something like flat. Right, let's change the layers. Let's make a new layer. What colour should we have it? Horrible city blue. Change object layer. Oh, I can't have that blue. That's the enemy football team. So I'll have that like that. This bottom bit, bottom surface. Let's do that contrasting colour. I don't know, orangey red. Okay, and if we select, oops, all that, oops, not that bit. So we've got our surface there that you've made. That's great how you've done that. So let's get rid of that. So that's the right way. So what we need to do then is transform. Now I'll tell you what we need to do first. Look at that, and it's it needs to come down so it actually cuts into the ring. So select all that. Which layer did we put it on? I can't remember. Let's put a new one. Purple. Change object layer. Right. So if we select that, select objects and group, it keeps everything together. And then if we go into this, that's your surface you're playing there. So this wants to be basically just proud of that. And then that's your amount you're going to cut in. So that's on your 0 line, it's below it. So this is your world origin, so it's just below it. We'll go into this. So if we click onto that, select all objects, and then transform, flow along a surface. The base surface near the corner is, we'll click that there, and then we want that to flow onto there, so we'll click that there. And that's cool. So we'll select all that now and then hide it. That red surface and hide it. And then we'll bring your ring back. And then do boolean difference. Select them bits. Oops, no, we're not ready. So boolean difference. So we want that, press enter, then press that, select objects. Take a minute. Okay, so that's flowed, and then if we turn that off, there we go. and then just split that, or you could reflow it, like I say, whatever's easiest. F4 shift, so like that, split with that, get sure that, mirror, round F4, shift, join them up. Okay, now as for making them look more like they've been pressed in, I think, well, I cut a ring, not this one, the one that I did originally, out just to see how it would look with a ball ending cutter, and I think it looks okay, so just, yeah, so if we, the best picture in the world, but you can sort of, needs cleaning up. I mean, it's just a flat one that we did before, I drew the first time, but it sort of looks quite good. Now, the only other way that, if you want it for a render, that's it, just rendered in Rhino with hard edges. But if you take it into something like 3D Coat or something like that, you can smooth all the edges off and makes it look a bit more rounded, which is sort of the effect that you get here. If you use a slightly bigger bit, but the only trouble is if you use a bigger bit, you'll lose detail. So I think you just go for a smaller bit, and yeah, that's it really. It's not rendered out properly now, but just to give you an idea. So I think that's what I'd be tempted to do. I'd just cut it and see how it goes, because I don't think, I think it'll look alright. Can I zoom in on that? It's a quick one, I just was down just to see. Yeah, so hope that helps anyway. I mean, that looks really nice, that. Alright, well, I'll send you the smooth file that I've done of that, and then you can, if you want to render it, I've got rendered it, you can try that. It's an OBJ file. Okay, thanks a lot, bye.